Today we're doing one-step equations and we're going to solve them using subtraction. Pretty awesome stuff. Let's start off with problem 1 of our 4 practice problems. Problem 1 states 63 plus m equals 79. When you see the equal sign, you know you're dealing with an equation. That means the left side has to be in balance with the right side at all times. First step, draw a vertical line through the equal sign. Determine what side of the equal sign is the variable m on. The variable m is on the left. So we're only looking at the left-hand side. What is the furthest thing away from variable m on the left? That's right, 63. And we're adding 63. If we want to isolate the variable m, then we must do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. So on the left-hand side, we're going to subtract 63. And remember, anything we do to the left-hand side of the equation, we must do to the right-hand side of the equation to keep the equation in perfect balance. So we're going to subtract 63 from the right. We'll draw a line underneath, bring down the m. Now positive 63 and negative 63 are opposites or inverses. They form a zero pair and we can eliminate them. All we have left on the left-hand side is the variable m. We've isolated m on the left. 9 minus 3 is 6, and 7 minus 6 is 1. m equals 16, and we've done our first problem. Let's try a second one-step equation using subtraction. Number 2 says 27 plus k is 30. We're going to start off just as we did in problem 1. Draw a line through the equal sign. Determine which side of the equal sign the variable k is on. The variable k is right here. It's on the left-hand side. Cover up the right-hand side. The furthest thing from the variable k on the left is 27, and we're adding. How do we cancel addition? That's right, with subtraction. Remember, if we subtract 27 from the left, we must subtract 27 from the right, and that's in order to keep our equation in balance. Positive 27, negative 27 are opposites or inverses. They form a zero pair. Cross them out. Boom. Done. Bring down the k. 10 minus 7 is 3. K is equal to 3. 2 problems. Halfway done. Getting it done. We're on number 3. Or dry. Or tray. Or trois. Negative 12 equals p plus 16. Draw a line through the equal sign. Determine what side of the equation the variable p is on. The variable p is on the right-hand side of the equal sign. The furthest thing from p on the right is 16. We're adding. How do we cancel? With subtraction. If we subtract 16 on the right, we must subtract 16 on the left to keep the equation in balance. Look at the right-hand side. We have positive 16 and negative 16. Those are opposites or inverses. They form a zero pair. We can cross them out. We've isolated the variable p on the right, and we have negative 12 and negative 16. Well, if I owe one person $12 and I owe somebody else 16, I owe a total of $28, and it's not good to owe, so we put the negative out front. We're almost done. Math has etiquette, and in that mathematical etiquette, it's proper to put the variable p on the left and our number or our constant on the right. Now we have completed problem 3 with 1 to go. Problem 4. Problem 4 states 18 minus negative f equals 91. Well, this problem looks slightly different than some of the other problems that we've done. Let's start the same. We draw a line through our equal sign, and we see these 2 negatives. When we have 2 negatives, they form a positive. That's right. 2 negatives form a positive. So now we have 18 plus f is equal to 91. Now we can ask ourselves the question, what side of this equation is the variable f on? The variable f is on the left-hand side. Furthest thing away from f on the left is 18. We're adding. How do we cancel addition? With subtraction. We're going to subtract 18 on the left, and then we're going to have to subtract 18 on the right to keep our equation in balance. We bring down the f, and positive 18 and negative 18 are opposites or inverses. They form a zero pair. Cross them out. Bring down the f. 91 minus 18. 9, 10, 11. 8 minus 1 is 7. F is equal to 73. And we have done 4 problems that were all solved in one step by using the subtraction. Thank you, and enjoy your math.